Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today we're gonna be recreating the fast Pokeball and it kind of looks like this. Now this one is kind of interesting because we kind of have a continuum of this sphere that we have on the sides, and we have them on both sides, but it gets interrupted by the bend in the middle, and then we have this texture here. So we kind of need to find out a way on how to get kind of this feel of the this material transferring to the other material. And to do that, we're gonna be creating a texture. All right, so select your Pokeball and then go into your UV editing. All right, press 3 on your number pad. Actually, let me enable the screencast. Okay, excellent. So press 3 on your number pad and then go into X-ray mode, and kind of we're gonna select this square rectangle that is from what this used to be, which it was a cube. Okay, so a fast way to do this is select your selection box. Okay, and go to the other corner. Excellent. Then go into your circle selection and kind of fill it in. Make sure you get them all selected. Okay, that looks good. And as you can see, both sides are selected. Now, before I unwrap this, I'm gonna do a vertex group and assign it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna press 3 again, and I'm going to do a UV and go to your project from view, and that is gonna do a UV projection from the view for both sides, but it's not gonna include the other faces. Great. Press G to move, and let's move it here. Then deselect, and we're gonna be selecting the these faces here. So select on your box selection, and we're gonna kind of follow these lines here. So control click all the way here. Actually here, yeah, to the middle. Then go down around and press here. Excellent. That looks great. Switch to your circle, select, and then we're gonna select everything. So while pressing shift, select the inner faces. All right. Okay, that looks good. Go to your UV and then press unwrap. Awesome. Make sure your island is selected. Select your whole island and then press R, 90. Decrease the size. Let's move it here. Now, while having this selected, go into your group and press select. And that is gonna give us these faces. increase the size a bit. Move it down, and we're gonna increase the size of this one as well. Doesn't matter if they are not lined up. That looks great. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna export our UV layout, and we're gonna time it ×2. Excellent. Let's name it Pokeball UV. Excellent. Now in the folder that you saved it, click and open it with your desired software. I'm gonna be using Affinity Designer as always. And then what we're going to do is, first of all, we're gonna make a sphere. So let me zoom in. So we're gonna make a sphere in the center. And pretty much tweak it so it's pretty much yep. And that looks good. Now then, we're gonna do 2 rectangles here about that size. Let's duplicate it. About there. Actually, about there. And then we're gonna merge them. Click on your select tool, and then let's move this down a bit. Awesome. That looks great. Then let's rotate it about 45 degree. Let me check. Yeah, about there. And increase the size. Gonna move it here. Awesome, that looks good. Then after that, make sure that your 2 shapes are white. And let's create a rectangle, a black rectangle. Let's move it to the back. That looks great. Save. Awesome. Then go into your shading. Make sure you're either in the top or the bottom. In this case, we're in the top material. Select it, Control T if you have the no wrangler on. Move it to the side. Select your UV. And we're gonna what we're gonna have is our material being projected. And why is this happening is because yes, so one thing that is happening is because of the rest of the UV that we're not seeing here. So select everything and let's clean this up. So go into your box selection, select this island, and then click and drag it and select this island. Now go into your selection and do an invert. S to shrink, G to move, G to move, and let's move them out of the way. Now as you can see, we don't have those markings anymore. That's great. So go back into your shading, then do a Shift A, convert, color ramp. Disconnect your color ramp. Click on the back on the black color and select your red that you used to have. click on the white and let's pick a yellow about there. Reconnect them, and excellent. Now, as for how do we get the other half, we don't need to we don't need to do much. Just select your nodes, Control C to copy, and let's paste them. G to move. All right, since our white was an off-white, let's click on the red, click here, and let's copy it, and then connect it here. Well, there you have it. The fast Pokeball. Please like and subscribe, comment. I definitely appreciate it. Everyone's support, and thank you guys for your patience once again. Thank you, and see you on the next one. Bye.